In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a data table in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma and navigating to the frame or artboard where you want the table to live. Give yourself a bit of space on the canvas so you can see the whole layout. It helps to zoom out slightly and think about where the table fits in your page or component structure. But you don't need to set anything up beyond having the file open. We'll use the fastest method, a plugin called Table Creator. Plugins in Figma are great for automating repetitive tasks, and this one builds a structured table instantly. To get it right, click anywhere on the canvas. Hover over Plugins, then click Manage Plugins. In the search bar, type Table Creator and install it. If you've already installed it, you are good to go. Next, run the plugin. Open the Plugins menu again. Choose Table Creator, and in the window that appears, select Create Table. You'll see options to define the structure of your table. Enter the dimensions you need, typically columns by rows. For example, if you want 4 fields across and 8 entries down, set it to 4 by 8. Think of columns as the categories, like name or status, and rows as the individual records. Pick a size that suits your content so you are not cramming text into narrow cells later. When you are ready, click Create. The plugin will generate a customizable table frame on your canvas. It's made up of cells and a header row that you can edit just like any other Figma layers. So everything stays fully designable and consistent with your styles. Now customize. Double-click into the header cells to rename them with clear labels. Adjust typography to your brand by applying your text styles. Tweaking size, weight, and alignment. Resize columns by dragging their edges so longer labels have room to breathe. If you want better readability, consider giving the header a slightly different background color and bolder text, and keep a strong contrast for accessibility. You can also refine borders, spacing, and cell padding to make the table feel balanced. For data clarity, align numeric values to the right and text to the left. If you plan to reuse this table, turn the header or a row into a component so updates stay consistent across screens. That's it. Thanks for watching.